I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Notion databases versus Pages, helping you understand their core distinctions. We'll dive into what makes each unique, exploring their primary functions and ideal scenarios. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap for deciding which tool best suits your specific needs, whether you're organizing simple notes or managing complex projects with hundreds of entries. Let's get started and unlock Notion's full potential together. Notion pages are your versatile, blank canvases, perfect for capturing thoughts, drafting documents, or creating simple, unstructured lists. Think of them as digital notebooks where you can freely add text, images, videos, and even dozens of different block types. They excel when you need a single, focused space for content, like meeting notes, personal journals, or a quick brain dump. Pages offer incredible flexibility without the need for complex organization. On the other hand, Notion databases are powerful, structured collections designed for managing complex information. They allow you to organize data with properties like dates, tags, and people, and view it in multiple ways, such as tables, calendars, or boards. Databases are ideal for project management, tracking tasks, building content calendars, or even creating a simple customer relationship management system. They bring order to hundreds, or even thousands, of related items. So, when should you use a page versus a database? If your information is largely unstructured, like a quick note or a simple document, a page is your best bet. It's fast, flexible, and easy to use. However, if you need to track, filter, sort, or relate information, especially across dozens or hundreds of items, a database is the clear winner. It provides the robust structure and analytical power to manage your data effectively and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.